Good evening, Kabir.
Good evening, ma'am.
Today we have Kabir Vatsayayan, and now at the end of his level 2 program, he's going to give a demo of the repetitive addition of a double digit. And the double digit that he's chosen is 98, and this he's planning to do till 50 or 100. Let us understand wherever he goes. Okay? Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
So let you start.
98, 196, 294, 392, 490, 588, 686, 784, 882, 980, 1078, 1176, 1274, 1372, 1470, 1568, 1666, 1764, 1862, 1960, 2048, 2156, 2254, 2352, 2450, 2548, 2646, 2744, 2842, 2940, 3038, 3136, 3234, 3332, 3430, 3528, 3626, 3724, 3822, 3920, 4018, 4116, 4214, 4312, 4410, 4508, 4606, 4704, 4802, 4900, 4998, 40796, 5194, 5292, 5390, 5488, 5686, 5684, 5782, 5880, 5948, 6076, 6174, 6272, 6370, 6468, 6566, 6664, 6762, 6860, 6958, 7056, 7154, 7252, 7350, 7448, 7546, 7664, 7742, 7840, 7938, 8063, 8036, 8134, 8232, 8330, 8428, 8526, 8624, 84722, 8722, 8820, 8918, 9016, 9114, 9212, 9310, 9408, 9506, 9604, 9702, 9800, 9898, 996, 9996, 10094, 10192.
Wonderful. I think you should stop it here, right? That's great. 9800, and you've gone beyond 100 now. This is 100, 100, 200, 304, and you can go. That's so nice. Wonderful. Learning. That's absolutely wonderful. You did so well.
Thank you, ma'am.